Important essay question from the chapter random variables and very easy sum. From the random variables chapter you can easily attempt the essay question since these questions are very easy. Also in the description I am adding 2 important problems links also from the chapter random variables. Once check those questions also. Those sums are also very important questions. So here the question is the range of your random variable x is 0, 1, 2 and given that p of x is equal to 0 is equal to 3c cube, p of x is equal to 1 is equal to p of x is equal to 2 is equal to 5c minus 1. Then find the c value p of x less than 1, p of 1 less than x less than or equals to 2 and p of 0 less than x less than or equals to 3. We have to find these 4 values. This is the given data. So first writing the given data. What are the given values? Given that range is equal to 0, 1, 2 and these 3 values are given. So first I take the values. What is the first value? P of x is equal to 0 is equal to 3c cube. And the second value p of x is equal to 1 is equal to 4c minus 10c square. And the third value p of x is equal to 2 is equal to 5c minus 1. Now constructing the table by using the given data. Okay. Now I am converting the given data into the tabular form. So this is the table. What are the x values here? X is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. That is, these are xi values. These are corresponding probabilities. What are the xi's here? 0, 1, 2. These are x values. Xi means this is nothing but x values. What are x values? 0, 1, 2. What are probabilities? P of xi means the corresponding probability. What is P of x is equal to 0 value? Probability is equal to 3c cube. What is P of x is equal to 1 value? 4c minus 10c square. And this third value 5c minus 1. Okay. So this is the given table. So what is the first question? Find the value of the c. So to find the c value we take the formula sum of all probabilities is equals to 1. Sigma p of xi is equals to 1. Very important formula. When we want to find the c value or k value, then we use the formula summation p of xi is equal to 1. Means this is sum of all probabilities is equals to 1. What are the probabilities here? The first value is equal to 3c cube. And the second value is equal to 4c minus 10c square. And third value is 5c minus 1. Okay. Is equals to 1. Just adding all the probabilities values. Now writing the values into order. 3c cube minus 10c square, 4c plus 5c, 9c minus 1 that is minus 2 is equal to 0. Writing this plus 1 to this side becomes minus 1. Now minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Now we want the c value. Since this is the cubic equation, we have to do the Horner division to find the c value. For that, first we have to find the one factor of this equation. How to find that one? First I replace that c is equal to 1 in the given equation. First I replace that c is equal to 1 in the given equation. Okay. 3 into 1 that is 3 minus 10 into 1 that is minus 10 plus 9 into 1 9 minus 2 which is equals to 12 minus 12 is equal to 0 means c is equal to 1 is the factor of the above equation. So here c is equal to 1 is the factor since we get the value is equal to 0. Now doing the Horner division to get the remaining two roots values. Okay. So what are the quotients here? C cube quotient is equal to 3, c square quotient is equal to minus 10, c quotient is equals to 9 and constant is equal to minus 2. Now doing the Horner division with 1. Okay. What is the Horner division procedure? First we have to take the 0 at the first place. Okay. Now 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Now this is 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Now minus 10 plus 3 is equal to minus 7 and 1 into minus 7 is equal to minus 7. Now this is 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 and this 2 into 1 is equal to 2. That is answer is equal to 0 here. Now what is the equation? Therefore the equation becomes here, the equation is this is constant, this is c term, this is c square term, that is 3c square minus 7c plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now doing the factorization to get the remaining two values. 3 2s are 6. Now what are the factors? 3c square minus 6c minus c plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 6c minus c minus 7c minus 6 into minus 1 plus 6 product is equal to plus 6. Now what are common in the first two terms? Taking 3c common here. 3c into c minus 2 and here minus 1 common. Minus 1 into c minus 2 equals to 0. Again taking c minus 2 common here. C minus 2 into 3c minus 1 is equal to 0. That is c minus 2 is equal to and 3c minus 1 equal to 0. Means c minus 2 is equal to 0 means c is equal to 2, 3c is equal to 1. Then the value of c is equal to 1 by 3. Now what are the c's values? Therefore c is equal to 1. First value, here we take the honor division with 1. That is first value c is equal to 1. Second value c is equal to 2. Third value c is equals to 1 by 3. But here we don't take these two values, c is equals to 1 and c is equals to 2. We take c is equal to 1 by 3 only. Why? Because when we take c is equals to 1 or c is equal to 2, then we get the probabilities values which are more than 1. So see here, when we take c is equal to 1, then what we get? 3 into 1 is equal to 3. This is the probability value which becomes greater than 1. So we don't take that c is equal to 1 or c is equals to 2. So we take that only c is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Now the first question is completed here. Now what is the second one? P of x less than 1. P of x less than 1 means we want the value, we want the probability value for the number which is less than 1. What is the value less than 1 in the given table? We have only one value, that is p of x is equal to 0. Okay. In the table we have that p of x is equal to 0. What is p of x is equal to 0? Probability already given that this value is equal to 3c cube. Now replacing c value here, 3 into 1 by 3 whole cube, 3 into 1 by 27. So answer is equal to 1 by 9. And third question is p of 1 less than x less than or equals to 2. Now what are the values which lies between 1 to 2 here? There is no value given in the table which lies between 1 to 2. So and here we have that equals to, that is p of x is equal to 2. We take that here this case answer is equal to p of x is equal to 2. And what is given in the given question? We have that p of x is equal to 2 is equal to 5c minus 1. This is given directly in the question. Now replacing c value, 5 into 1 by 3 minus 1. Doing LCM, 5 minus 3 by 3. That is equals to 2 by 3. So this is the third answer. And the last answer, fourth one is equals to, what is the question? P of 0 less than x less than or equals to 3. Now we want the values which lies between 0 to 3, also 3 value. So P of 0 to 3, what are the values lies between 0 to 3? P of 1 plus, P of 2 plus, P of 3. Now what are given? P of 1 is equals to, in the given question, P of 1 value is equal to 4c minus 10c square and P of 2 value is equal to 5c minus 1 and P of 3 value is not given in the question, so we take that value is equal to 0. Now 4c plus 5c, 9c. 9c minus 10c square minus 1. Now replacing c value, 9 into 1 by 3 minus 10 into c square, 1 by 9 minus 1. So this is equals to 3 minus 10 by 9 minus 1. That is 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. 2 minus 10 by 9. Now doing the LCM, 18 minus 10 by 9 is equals to 8 by 9. That's all. This is the answer. The most important essay question. Very, very important.